Let's take a look at how to request money from another user's wallet. This function is known as R2P request to pay. You might need it when you require assistance, ask someone to repay a debt, or collect money from your friends for a joint gift to a common friend. In this case, the initiator of the transfer is not the sender but the recipient of the money. To initiate a money request, we start on the main screen of the user's mobile application. In the main menu, we select the Request Money function. To create a request, we specify the amount and add a note. If the people you're requesting money from are nearby, you can simply generate a QR code and show it to them. Alternatively, you can send a payment link through a messenger or email. Money requests can also be sent directly to the phone numbers of the senders. To do this, you enter the sender's phone numbers, gradually adding them to your request. The number of added phone numbers is unlimited. You can choose senders from the phone book or manually enter phone numbers. Your request is ready, and all that's left is to send it. Upon sending, you will see the request status on the screen. By accessing the transaction history, you can see the same number of created transactions as the number of recipients to whom you send a request. They will all be in a pending approval status. The recipient of the request will receive a push notification with information about the money request. In their mobile application, they will see a detailed description of the money request, including information about who sent it and for what amount. Such a request can be accepted or declined. If accepted, the money will be deducted from the recipient's wallet, and the status of the request in the transaction history will change from pending to success. Furthermore, the sender of the request will receive a push notification indicating that their wallet has been replenished. If one of the two recipients of the money request accepted it, the status of one of the requests changed from pending to success, while the status of the other request has not changed yet. Let's summarize what we've learned about the R2P, Request to Pay, feature. Essentially, it allows the initiation of a P2P transfer, not by the sender, but by the recipient. Money requests can be sent to one or multiple people simultaneously. You can create a request by generating a QR code for a specific amount, sending a payment link via messenger or email, or by selecting recipients from your phone book or manually entering phone numbers. The sender of the request will immediately see information about the sent requests in the transaction history with a pending status. The recipient will receive a push notification with information about the received request. Upon accessing their wallet, they can accept or decline the request. If accepted, the recipient will see information about the sent transfer in the transaction history, and their balance will decrease. At the same time, the sender of the request will notice that the transaction status has changed from pending to success in the transaction history, and their balance will increase. Both the recipient and the sender may incur a commission, which is applied similarly to a regular P2P transfer. Thank you for your attention. For any questions, please contact us.